Now we are ready to unlock some of the cool features with MoolahPlan. Currently on the screen I am showing a snapshot of the B of A joint checking account and the Chase checking account. B of A joint checking currently shows that we need $3,020 to satisfy bills related to that account. Chase checking needs $393.66. Before we continue, I would like to point out the summary and wallet tables. Total take-home pay sums all income records listed in the income table. Total bills provides you with the total of all your bills. Remaining before savings shows you the difference of total take-home pay and total bills. Monthly spending money provides you with the total amount you have to spend each month after bills. Weekly spending money provides you with the total amount you have to spend each week after bills. Daily spending money provides you with the total amount you have to spend each day after bills. I want to quickly point out that I added income for John as John's transfer. I have made the assumption that John needs to transfer $1,050 into the B of A joint checking account to satisfy the bills associated with that account. As you go through the month, you can mark bills as paid, which then allows MoolahPlan to dynamically update the amount needed in the account. Let's watch this in action. In the next video, we will learn about the savings feature and how MoolahMap can help you plan out your next journey.